morning guys, how's it going? This is the kitchen fairy with another recipe vlog for indorecipe.com. Forgive my very fluffy hair, I just washed it this morning, so it's a bit, when it's dry it's always fluffy, it's like crazy. Anyways, today's recipe, it is fluffy and soft and fluffy pumpkin muffins. Check out the full video and I'll see you soon again. Bye. Your muffin pan with a little of peanut oil, or you can use melted unsalted butter. Set to side. Dry ingredients, this is 2 cups of strong baker's flour with 1 tablespoon of baking powder, a pinch of salt, half cup of semi-sweet chocolate chips, and half cup of raisin, and half cup of walnut halves. We're just gonna mix this dry ingredients and set to side. For the wet ingredients, this is half cup and 2 tablespoons of dark brown sugar, half cup of pure pumpkin puree, 2 whole eggs, half cup of whole milk, and 1 tablespoon of vanilla essence. We're just gonna mix this using our electric mixer. And for the flavoring as well, some cinnamon powder, as well allspice powder, and 6 tablespoons of peanut oil. So just mix it until combined. You can use food processor or blender, it's up to you. Gonna add in our dry ingredients and mix it until just combine. Until just combine. You don't want it to get or be overly mixed. Now we're gonna divide this dough or thicker batter onto our grease pan per half heaping cup. Like so. Now we're gonna sprinkle the top with cinnamon sugar and a pinch of ginger powder. So just sprinkle, sprinkle, sprinkle. And then a pinch of ground ginger or ginger powder. It is on preheated 400 Fahrenheit for 18 to 20 minutes depending on your oven. Cool on cooling rack.